Nina Banujiug, it's time for math. This is some more review. And the review today will be on the equal sign. We are doing lesson number 25, and we're doing part 1. Okay, so you will get part 2 tomorrow. But here we go. Really going to be focusing on the equal sign today. Okay, all right, so here we go. Let's start off with our 1-star challenge problems, okay? So our first problem. Usually I give you a number and then either like plus or minus another number equals the mystery number. Let's swap that around. And what I'm going to do today, so let's go with mystery number, and we'll go with 2 plus 5. Okay, so paying attention to the equal sign wants everybody to get the same amount on both sides. So the same number goes here and the same number goes here. Okay. So do we have all of the information we need on this part? We don't. That's totally the mystery number. So we have no idea what goes over here. No idea yet. What about this side of the problem? Do we have all the information we need? We sure do. We have a 2 and a 5. And you know, let's use our favorite method where you grab that number and you count on. So 5, 6, 7. Ooh, so 5. And if you need to draw underneath the 2, go ahead. 5, 6, 7. So on this side of the equal sign, we know we have 7. 7 cookies in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we have 7 cookies over here, we know that we're going to need how many cookies over here? 7, because we would want that to be the same. So there's my 5, 6, 7. 7. And is 7 the same as 7? Sure is. So we know that our mystery number from this problem is, in fact, 7. How about that? All right. Let's do another 1-star challenge problem. You ready? Here we go. And this time I'm going to start with the mystery number in the front, just because I can. Ha ha ha. And how about this time we go with 6 and 1. How about that? All right, so do we have everything we need to know on this side of the problem? I'm just going to bring down that equal sign. And no, we totally don't. We don't know what's going on this side of the problem. This is just one big mystery. What about on this side of the equal sign? You're right, we do have everything we need. We know we have 6 and 1. Well, let's grab this bigger number in your hand. So grab it and hold it and count on 1 more. Okay, so 6, 7. Ooh, 6 and 1 is 7. So now we know if we have 7 over here, 7 is the same as what? What does this mystery number need to be so that with this equal sign, we have the same on both sides? It's going to have to be 7. Because is 7 the same as 7? It sure is. So this equation is now 7 equals 6 plus 1. How about that? All right. Maybe that was too easy. Maybe that was too easy. Well, it's a good thing I have a 2-star challenge problem or 2 for you to do. Your first problem is, and I'm going to switch it up. It's not going to be mystery number equals some number plus another number. I'm going to change it up again just because I can. How about this? 3 plus mystery number equals 7. Well, what do you guys think? All right, well, we know we're paying attention to the equal sign, and we know we need the same information on both sides. So on this side, do we have all the information we need? We sure don't. There's a big mystery number on that side. What about on this side of the equal sign? Yep, we got everything we need to know. That's 7. So the 7 is just going to come down, and if I need to, I can always draw that out too. 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. And because there are 7 on this side, I know for sure I'm going to want eventually 7 on this side. Well, let's pull down what we do know. We know for sure there's a 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then we have our mystery number that we don't know. Well, I know eventually I want how many? Eventually I know I need 7. Okay, so what we can do is grab our 3 and count on, and we know we're going to stop at what number? We're going to stop at the number 7 because we know whatever we're doing needs to equal 7. It needs to be the same as 7. So grab your 3, ready? 3 and count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa. And what do we get, everybody? What did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mystery number is 4. So now we know this equation is 3 plus 4 is the same as 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Wow, super nice job. All right. Let's keep it going. What about if I give you this? Let's even do some slightly larger numbers. How about 6 plus mystery equals 11. What do you think of that? 6 plus mystery number equals 11. I'm going to draw a line so we know that everything up here we already did. You don't need to pay attention to that. All right. Well, let's start again. We want to pay attention to our equal sign because the equal sign wants things to be fair. If somebody's getting 6 cookies, the other person also needs to get 6 cookies. But in this case, it's not 6. We're going to go with the biggest number and the number that is complete. So we have this half to look at. Do we have all the information we need on this half? Sure don't. There's a 6 and then there's this mystery number. So we don't have all that information. Let's look on this side of the equal sign. Yeah, we have all the information, don't we? It's 11. So I'm just going to bring that down and I'm going to do a quick drawing of it. Now I'm already in my brain just picturing my 10 frame. Right there. That's a quick and easy way for me to think about it. But I know that 11 is 1 more than 10, so I'm going to add that 1 more. All right, there. So that side is done. Now on this side, I know that I at least have a 6. I don't know what the other number is going to be, but at least I can draw my 6 because I know what that is. 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my 5 group and 1 more, 6. Okay, so is 6 the same as 11? It sure isn't. We're a couple shy, aren't we? Well, all right. Because we know that we have 6, we can, here's my hand. So we're going to grab, and there's my hand. We're going to grab the 6, and we're going to count on. And we already know what number we're trying to reach. It's right here. It's over here. We're trying to get to 11. All right, so we have 6, and let's count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, and we got to it. So I'm going to put my mystery box right here, and I'm going to start crossing these off. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the mystery number is 5. How about that? So now we know this equation is 6 plus 5 equals 11. 6 plus 5 is the same as 11. How about that? Too easy? We'll see. Let's move on to some 3-star challenge problems. Now the reason these are 3-star challenge problems isn't because we're using like really, really big numbers that we've never worked with before. It's going to be a 3-star challenge because there's going to be a number plus another number equals a number plus another number. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, you guys can totally do it. So there's going to be 1 more number. That is why this is a 3-star challenge problem. Okay, you ready? I'm going to give you the first one. Your first problem is 5 plus 3 equals mystery number plus 1. So let's focus on this equal sign. Now, do we have all the information we need on this side of the equal sign? We sure do. You're like, Ogie, there's a 5 right there and a 3 right there. We clearly have all the information we need. All right, smarty pants, so it's 5 and 3. Let's grab and count on. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So this side isn't 5 plus 3, it's actually 8. All right, now let's look at the other side of the equal sign. Do we have all the information we need on that side? We sure don't. There's the big empty mystery number box right there. I can see it staring at me. But I do know at least that I have 1. So I have 1. Is 1 the same as 8? It sure isn't. We just plain don't have enough. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to drag down a slightly bigger box and I'm going to start counting on, but I'll draw as I count. So we're going to count on from this 1, because 1 is about all that I know I got. I know I got 1. So we're going to grab 1 and then we're going to count on. And do you know what number we're going to stop at? What number are we trying to get to? So there's the same on both sides. We're trying to get to 8. So we're going to grab 1 and count on up to 8. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We figured out the mystery number. I drew right in here. Let's count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we rewrite this equation, we know the mystery number is 7. 7 plus 1 is the same as 8. How about that? And if you look way back at the top, it's 5 plus 3 equals 7 plus 1. How about that? Let's do one more 3-star challenge together, okay? So here we go. It's going to be 6 plus 4 equals mystery number plus 5. Well, remember, the thing to focus on is that equal sign. And looking at this side of the equal sign, do we have all the information that we need? We sure do. The numbers are right there. It's 6 and 4. And if we grab 6, and we're going to count on 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know on this side of the equal sign it's actually 10. And if we look at this side of the equal sign, we know we're trying to make 10. Do we have all that information? We sure don't. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then we have this big old mystery number that we don't know. But we know we're trying to get to 10, because we want the same on both sides of this equal sign. Same and same. Okay. So, well, since we know we have 5, let's count on. And I'll draw circles as we count on. So start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many is that? How many did I end up drawing inside this mystery number box? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. So it's actually 10 equals 5 plus the 5 that we already knew. 5. And what about that? 5 plus 5 is the same as 10. And even way back at the top, it was 6 plus 4 equals 5 plus 5. 6 plus 4 is the same as 5 plus 5. Are you ready for your very own 3-star challenge with no help from me? This is all you. 1, 2, 3 stars. And this one's all you. So you fill this one out all by yourself. I'm going to get you started. 3 plus mystery number equals 2 plus 7. So you need to figure out this mystery number. But the first thing I want you to do is pay attention to that equal sign. Do drawings. Pay attention to which sides have all the information you need complete already and which part you're going to have to work for and count on to figure out. All right, good luck. So this was part 1 of lesson 25. You're going to get part 2 tomorrow. Good luck with your 3-star challenge problem. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you in another video again real soon.